Ever wonder where all your money goes each month? It's a question many of us ask ourselves. Budgeting is the answer. It's the financial compass that guides us, allowing us to control our financial habits, save for tomorrow, and sidestep unnecessary debt. Imagine a world where your money works for you, not the other way around. That's the power of budgeting. It's not just about numbers, it's about freedom, peace of mind, and future prosperity. The first step towards financial independence starts with understanding your spending habits. So how do you start a budget? Well, let's break it down into manageable steps. First and foremost, you need to track your income and expenses. This means knowing exactly how much money comes in each month and where it goes. It's like taking a snapshot of your financial life. Next, categorize your expenses. Separate them into fixed costs like rent or mortgage and variable costs such as groceries or entertainment. This will give you a better understanding of your spending habits. Now, it's time to set financial goals. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Your goals will guide your budget. And finally, always be ready to make adjustments. Your budget is a living, breathing entity. As your lifestyle changes, so should your budget. Remember, a budget is not a one-size-fits-all. It's a personal plan that helps you manage your money. Now that you've got your budget, what's next? Implementing your budget is the key to financial success. It's not enough to simply create a budget. You need to actively engage with it, review it regularly, and make adjustments as necessary. Use budgeting tools to help you stay on track. There are numerous apps and software available that can simplify the process and keep you accountable. Remember, budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a dynamic process that should reflect your changing financial situation. Maybe you got a raise, or perhaps an unexpected expense popped up. Your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate these changes. Importantly, patience and consistency are your best friends when it comes to budgeting. It might take a few months to see the benefits of your budgeting efforts, but don't be discouraged. With time, you'll see the fruits of your labor. Starting a budget is just the first step. Sticking to it is where the real challenge lies. What's the best time to start budgeting? It's today. Because the journey to financial stability and freedom begins with that first step. The sooner you embrace this incredible tool, the sooner you'll reap the rewards. A brighter financial future, a sense of control, peace of mind, all these are just around the corner. Remember, it's never too late to start. The important thing is to start. So why wait? Start your journey to financial freedom today with budgeting.